What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Drac from Super Monsters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left. Let's start from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. And I leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top on the right side, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up here, I'm going to bring this in and back out, and then line that up on the right. Now we're going to draw another circle in the center of the eye in behind that highlight. So let's start from the bottom, going all the way around and back out. Let's fill the pupils in black. Now let's draw the outside of the eyelid. We're going to start from the top of the eye, then it's up, and then out. And work our way down towards the bottom, coming down and then bending that in. Let's move in between the eyes and draw on the nose. We're going to start with the bottom edge with a curve, coming down and then up, step up and draw a short curve for the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw a curve for the mouth, coming down and up. Go back to the left, draw the bottom of the mouth, coming down and up. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw a small V for the tooth, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's go all the way up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. On top of the left eye, we're going to bend this up and then down, and then line it up on the right. Let's curl the inside of the eyebrow. Just going to bend this around and then back out. And then we're going to go out and then down towards a point. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the top corner of the eye, we're going to step out. I'm going to curve this down, go across just underneath the mouth, and then bend that up on the right side. Let's go back up to the center and layer the hair on top of the head. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. From here and bend the hair going up, go across and extend that out towards the side. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to tuck the head in underneath the hair, going up and then bending that in. Let's add some layers of hair going up and then down the center. So we'll start back on the left, going up and bend that in, step out, going up, round at the head and come down and in towards the middle, draw a straight line coming down. Let's do the same thing on the right side. We're going to add that fold. We're going to go up and bend that in. And then from the center, we're just going to tuck this in on top. Let's add the hair on the side. Bend this down and in. Now I want to add the ears along the side of the head. Let's start from the side of the hair, bend this up and then out. And we'll draw the bottom of the ear, coming down, round at the ear, and then pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's add a fold on the inside, bend this in and then down, and we'll draw a hook, going around and then in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the bow tie. Just underneath the chin, we'll draw a circle for the knot. From the bottom, bend this down and out towards the side. Curve the side, going around and then in underneath the head. Let's go to the side of the bow tie. We're going to curve the body, going out and then down towards the hips. Now from here we're going to add 2 points on either side, coming down and in, pull this up and in towards the center point. Then we're going to draw a straight line going up. And we're going to spread this out towards the side. Now I'm going to add 2 buttons on either side of that center line. So we'll start from the top and another set across the bottom. Now in the center, we're going to step down and add a curve going up and then down. And then in the middle, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, go down and up. Let's go back to the side, draw the top of the foot going up, then that down towards the heel. Now I'm going to go back up to the hip and close off the legs, going out and then down on top of the feet. Along the top of the foot, we're going to draw a curve coming down and then up on both sides. And we're going to add some stripes in this area. Starting from the bottom, we're going to add 3 lines going across. Let's move to the side of the body and draw on the arms. Halfway between the chin and the vest, we're going to start right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb and close off the end with a small bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the bottom of the thumb, going down and up around the bracket, go to the side, go out and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're just going to blend this into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Now let's separate the wrist. Start from the top of the thumb, going up and then out. And then halfway across the arm, we'll draw another curve. Let's trace each of these curves along the top. Let's move back up to the top of the arms and add the collar. We're going to start on the left side, going up and out, and then bend that down. And from here, bend this up and then in behind the head. Let's add a trim across the front of the collar. And then we'll layer the cape in behind the body. Let's start in the center finger on both sides, then the cape going out and then down. Now we want to connect the bottom of each line with a curve going up, in behind the legs, and then back down. Let's add 1 more trim across the side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Drac from Super Monsters. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.